This represents an end of an era for me. When Sharon and I moved in this house in 1971, we got our phone installed. 1971. It's in the 305 area code. Yesterday when they installed fiber optic line, I wanted my phone disconnected, my landline, because I was paying $50 a month for this landline, and all I was getting on it were robocalls. It's now disconnected. The end of an era. I think I will keep this, put it away. It's going to be a collector's item soon. The old landline. It's just like I used to have an IBM computer. My first one had that, 5-6 inch floppy disk. Trashed it. I should have kept it. I could have sold it as a collector's item today.